So welcome back guys. Today we are going to see the concept of multi-level inheritance in Java programming. Okay. So let me just this is the concept of Java programming. Okay. So what is this multi-level inheritance in Java? What happens? No, we have understood the basic concept of inheritance in Java, like one class is actually inheriting the parent class. So here what happens, you have a base class, let's say A, it is being extended by B, and what happens again, that B is being extended by C. So we have the certain hierarchy, we have the some certain series that one class is extended by another class. Okay. So that's what the multi-level inheritance means. Okay, let's go to the Visual Studio Code quickly. We saw the single level inheritance, right? That animal class is being extended by cat class. So suppose if I just create a class that is that is going to just simply I'm going to create a class B, okay, which is having the method, let's say void B method, okay, because this is a B class, right? And yes, let's give something inside the B class method, that this is a B class, right? So I actually, okay, B class is, here we can say that it's extending the animal class, and we can change out the little bit thing here. As earlier cat was extending the animal, now animal class is being replaced by B. Okay. So what happens? Animal is being extended by B class, and B class is being extended by cat class. Okay. So let's do one thing. Okay, C is already created. Okay. If I'll just add C to call my B method, so just see the magic. Three of the methods would be called out by C object only. See? So this is what multi-level inheritance means. You can just create out the different classes one by one. You can just inherit, and at the last, whatever the class would be, you can just create out that class object, and you can just call the methods, and you can just use the attributes, data members, and properties of the inherited class. Okay, I mean the parent class for the child class. So yeah, thank you so much.